All right. So if you want to make money on the internet doing something fun and creative, let me explain to you what I am doing. Take it or leave it. If you want to sit through a boring ass presentation, this is not it. I'm literally didn't even clean my office to give you this presentation. I have a cold. I shouldn't even be talking to you right now, but I have to get this new 2025 information out. I'm going to show you how to get paid to make selfies with products without having any followers. It's a roadmap to 2K to 20K a month because that's generally what I'm on the upper end of this. So, but I'm also one of the highest paid top UGC creators out there. And I don't have any following on the internet. Like you probably found me through TikTok or Instagram. I got Jack because I get paid and the people I teach get paid to just hand in a video. We make ads on the internet. Let me show you how I did it, how I went about it. Basically, you get paid money to get free stuff. And let me show you something real quick. So, today, I did ads for this company. Sorry about that. I get these cool free knives. They're really cool. It's like $1,000 worth of knives. I get to keep them. And I got paid hundreds of dollars. Look at this thing to make an ad with them. Isn't that nuts? Okay. So that's what we're doing. This room is full of stuff that I actually have to, it's actually kind of a pain. I make more money when I sell it. You get all kinds of free stuff. You work from home. You have fun. So if you give me, this is going to be less than 20 minutes. It's going to be 12 to 13 more minutes long. So here's some earnings. I'm just going to skip through, the typical BS that you watch in these PowerPoint presentations. Oh, another webinar. This is not going to be, I'm going to skip through all of it. So here's an example of an ad that I made. Just want to show it to you right now. My dad must have for 2024, the headlight. Why? Because you can do anything in low light or dark, hands-free with complete light. It frees you up to do anything with your hands. It makes you feel free, like America. It's got hands-free on and off. So I like to add a little bit of dad must fun to the stuff I do. And you don't have to, but that's more advanced. You get paid more to make that kind of video. This is not what you see on Instagram and everybody is telling you to do. It's not multi-level marketing. You'll still keep your friends. It's not affiliate marketing. You don't sell anything. You just make the ad. You're like Mad Men, but for the modern world. It's not a pyramid scheme. You're not reselling a course. You're not selling anything, remember? You're not an influencer even. And this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You're actually giving a valuable skill set for something that people need in a $766 billion industry. I used to say it was 400 billion, then 500. Now it's 700. They adding $100 billion every year to this damn industry. So why should we listen to you? Because I know what I'm talking about. I've been doing advertising for well over a decade and everything. I've been the ups and downs, even on the internet. So I've had times that things are bust and boom. This is by far the easiest and quickest, most fun way I've had to make money on the internet. And it's surprising how fast I went from $0 a month to $5,000 a month to $12,000 a month and up once I applied these principles. Because at first I was like, how do I get booked? If you're a UGC creator and you're already here and you're like, I know what you're talking about, Dave, but I'm doing it, but I'm not getting booked. That's what I'm here to solve. I'm showing you how to make ads and how to make ones that'll get you booked and then how to get booked. Okay. So I've got example videos in here. Let me see what this one is. All right. So when you're in your feed, there's UGC ads that come on.
When I was 2 months in, I was making $0, but I was so serious.
This is a UGC ad. Okay. So you get the point. When you're in your feed, you see these ads. It's basically a person at home. So they send you the products. Here's a setup of me looking at the camera, of me filming it, right? Here's some more stats because everybody likes to see this. This says 700. I'm almost 1,700. I've done 1,000 ads since I made this slide about a year ago. Okay. So this is for 2023. So it's been a year and like 4 months since I made this slide. That's why I'm updating it right now. It's gone better. It gets bigger and better every single month for me. And I've had students that I taught, and I'll show you that in a second, that do better than me. See, I literally get paid to record the ads you see in your social media feeds. I'm going to skip through all the BS. This is literally me recording an ad. Doesn't look too hard, right? As long as you know exactly what to do. Let's see what ads these are. Little examples. This is behind the scenes.
This is what it looks like when I'm recording.
You don't need all this equipment. This is just more advanced stuff. I got paid $250 in about 10 minutes to do this.
I got a yellow
because it's a green screen.
wall.
I read a script.
Summer's here, and my wife bought these for our backyard, and I have no idea what it's for. Is it a drone? A helicopter? An airplane parking cone? A weed whacker? Oh, it keeps flies off your food.
See,
Summer's here. And
something like that pays you about, this is off Beat Getting Free Stuff, about $200 for that other video I just made. Maybe an hour of work max if you're new. This is me for all packages I get of free stuff that people send me. So, like I said, I'm going to skip through this. So basically, with just 3 or 4 hours of work, you can earn up to $1,000. Now, I'm not exaggerating on that. Just once you get good and you know how to make these videos quicker, you can make a lot of money really quick with not a ton of work. Now, I have 740 billion here. I used to say 566 billion. And since that year, it's gone up. I just put this one in right now in 2024. Got cut off. It's literally $740 billion business. So if you're like, is this crowded? Is the field too crowded? How am I going to possibly make money? I heard about UGC now. It's not new anymore. There's just too many people trying to do it, but they're not doing it the right way or the way that makes as much money as me and my people and you would be making. They're just not doing it the right way. So that's what I'm here to try and explain to you how I can help you do that. And then you'd be like, well, why do you want to help me, Dave? Aren't I going to be competition? No, they need people that look different ages. I'm middle-aged dude with like graying hair, the pot belly, and they asked me to do fitness apps. It's nuts. And they need all kinds of people, all shapes, sizes, and they run out of people that are good to work with. And if you're good to work with, you keep getting booked. This is the stuff I'm going to skip. I already know you're here because you want to do something different, something fun, something that makes you money in your free time, and you're sick of all the bullshit fucking scams that are on the internet. Believe me, remember, I've been doing this 17 years. I know all the bullshit when I see it. You probably haven't even heard of me. That's because I'm not full of shit. People that are showing you how to like resell a course in 3 times and the moms are showing off their pretty kitchens and stuff, they're usually full of crap. Okay, so people like to see this stuff, though. I do too. This is my backyard, paid for with digital marketing, vacations, cars, wife's car. So that's the first thing I did was buy my wife a car with the first like $1,500 I was making UGC. Because I was like, oh, I can make an extra $2,000, $3,000 a month. Cool. We get her a nicer car. You don't need to have a boss. You get to work on your schedule, when you want, with who you want. So you don't have to worry about that. All kinds of fun things we get to do from the money that I make doing this. Blah, blah, blah. Wages are down. Inflations are up. Look, you need to be your own boss in order to have no cap on how much money you can make. So if you work somewhere and you're getting a raise that's like this big, you're never going to get rich. Can you get rich doing this? Well, you can make a lot more money. Maybe you need to pay for your kids' sports. You need to maybe possibly afford a mortgage now or another car payment, your kids' college. An extra couple grand a month having fun making creative videos is doable. Okay? Skip through all this, blah, blah, blah. So here's how the frame goes. You get booked. They send you a product or they don't. Maybe it's a website or a service. You create the UGC video ad. You send it in for approval to the brand and they say, we love it. And they send you money. That's it. That's it. You're not selling anything. There's no complicated system. I basically teach you how to make the videos, what they're looking for, where to list it. And then I guarantee that you're going to get booked. Because what I do works. That's how confident I am. Other people, they teach you how to do things and they're teaching about the aesthetic this and aesthetic that. If you want to do that, by all means, you don't need to maybe work with me, but maybe you're going to go with somebody else. Then you'll come back to me because what they're doing is going to teach you things of like how to make things look pretty. And I'm going to teach you how to make things that people want to buy from you, i.e. the ads. And they're not even going to tell you what they want in it. You just need to know how to implement it. That's what I'm teaching. So I got a program. Basically, I want to help you make up to $300 an hour with just your smartphone at home, making quick to easy 15, 30, or 60-second video ads. Okay? These are all people that I've helped. I've got plenty more. I just haven't put them down in here. Actually, I don't know who that guy is. But the rest of them, I'll help. These folks moved to a different state. I think they bought a house with the money. She quit her job after 4 weeks, gave notice. Okay. They both do it now. He does it. Everybody. Okay. That's me. I like to surf in my spare time. There's no advertising. There's no inventory. There's no cold calls. You might have thought like I could drop ship. Dude, that is so many people doing that. And there's no meat left on the bone at drop shipping. It's so hard to do. But you know what there is money doing? Making ads for people who are drop shipping. Everybody needs ads on the internet. The only place to advertise now that makes sense, TV's crap, radio's terrible, satellite radio, what are we doing here? Everybody advertises on the internet. And you know what kind of ads work? When it's a regular person, talking about something about a product. That's what sells things. You're not giving fake reviews. There's rules on that. I explain that in the course too. You're not posting reviews on Amazon for $10. That's illegal now, by the way. With $51,000 fines, I'll show you how to navigate the whole system. I've seen courses out there and programs. What I'm teaching you is how to do something. You're basically an actor, except actors don't make money and you're going to make money. Probably. Caveat, probably. If you do what I tell you to do, you should make money. Okay. That's why I guarantee it. $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 extra a month. Don't believe me? Okay. This is Christy. 1,000. She's done way over. She's probably done 1,700 now because she passed by me. She did 1,000 paid UGC gigs in 7 months. Okay. Maybe you've seen her in an ad. 7 months. Okay. How would it feel to even make just $1,000 a month on the side? My kid makes ads. This is my kid. He makes ads. He bought an e-bike with his money. Okay. He's got money for a car now. It's crazy. I bought my wife this SUV. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Advertising spend. Look at blah, blah. They underestimated this so much. It's nuts. That's wrong. So this is at the beginning of the gold rush. Advertisers have a lot of money and they've got an insatiable appetite for ads from people like you. I'm going to teach you how to make the videos. Let me just skip right out of this. Because basically at this point, if you want to learn how to do this on your own, go for it. But people always come back to me and they go, I didn't make any money. And then if you're that person, I'll show you how to make the money and I'm going to guarantee that you'll get booked. Okay. So I'm going to teach you how to make these ads at home. You know that blah, 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 blah. Why does it pay so well? Because advertisers, their ad is the most important thing they have frontward facing, right? So I'm going to show you how to make your videos in minutes, how to get your clients for free, what separates UGC from ads, from video ads, and influencer, what the difference is, what software to use, how to make the videos. I literally show you in 48 hours how to do everything. You could definitely learn this. I'm running out of time. I have a 15-minute max. So if you want to learn from me, I'm skipping all the BS. Just click the link on the thing and you can join these other people who have all these things that change your life about, what do we have
Since
here?
I bought Dave's course a month ago, I've made more doing UGC videos than I do my full-time 40-hour-a-week desk job. I literally just put in my 2-week notice.
Hey Dave, this is my 1 month follow-up with you. I started a month ago and to date I've done 53 video ads and I'm loving it. I'm having so much fun. I didn't think I would. It's way out of my comfort zone, but it's
53 in 1 month. Okay? What I'm teaching you works. I'm sharing the knowledge because I also need creators. So what you get, here's what you get. It's basically everything. I'm pointing at my screen. You can't see that. It's everything on how to do all this. Everything is just sitting there. Boom, boom. How to, filming, editing, what software I'm using, what software you're going to use. And you don't really need any other expenditure because the software is free. So you need a smartphone and the knowledge that I'm going to give you from doing this. So just click the link and sign up. And also what I'm going to do is I'm going to include this, which is my starter guide, 78 pages ebook, and a video that goes over the ebook on like insider tricks and things of like, here's what people tell you to do and why you shouldn't do it that way. And you should do it this way instead. Okay. So it's a limited time because I do this on and off for sales. I don't make a living making these courses, by the way. I make a living making UGC videos. So click the link and I'll see you guys on the other side and I'll even give you a free one-on-one coaching. Make sure that you're getting your bookings. Remember, I guarantee it. Otherwise, I'll keep helping you until you get booked. I'll see you.